Congruence. Congruent is a term used in mathematics to describe two or more shapes or objects that have the same shape and size. When two shapes or objects are congruent, they have exactly the same dimensions and all corresponding sides and angles are equal. For example, two triangles are congruent if they have the same three sides and three angles. Similarly, two circles are congruent if they have the same radius. Congruent figures are often represented using this symbol, this an equal sign with a tilde over it. Congruent triangles. Congruent triangles are two or more triangles that have exactly the same shape and size. When two triangles are congruent, all their corresponding sides and angles are equal. This means that if you were to superimpose one triangle on top of the other, they would perfectly match up without any gaps or overlap. There are several ways to show that two triangles are congruent, including side-side-side congruence. If the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the triangles are congruent, as this. Then side-angle-side congruence. If two sides and the angle between them in one triangle are equal to two sides and the angle between them in another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Two sides and an angle. Angle-side-angle congruence. If two angles and the side between them in one triangle are equal to two angles and the side between them in another triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Two angles and a side between them. Angle-angle-side congruence. If two angles and the non-included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the non-included side of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Two angles and a side. Hypotenuse leg congruence. If the hypotenuse and one leg of a right triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and one leg of another right triangle, then the triangles are congruent. Height, hypotenuse and one leg of a right triangle. Congruent triangles are important in geometry because they have the same properties and measurements and therefore can be used interchangeably in geometric proofs and calculations. Examination tips. To find equivalent angles or sides, you may need to use a variety of skills: parallel lines, symmetry, isosceles triangles, circle theorems, etc. Worked example. A diagram is drawn. A, B, C and D are points on this circle. Center is O. M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of CD. OM is equal to ON. Explain, giving reasons why triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OCD, triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Identify any corresponding sides or corresponding angles that are equal between the triangles OAB and OCD, as OA is equal to OC and OB equals OD, as they all are radii. So AB and CD are both chords and OM is perpendicular to AB and ON is perpendicular to CD. The line joining a midpoint of a chord to the center is perpendicular to the chord. As OM and ON are equal, so both chords are the same distance from the center. So AB equals CD, as they are both chords that are equidistant from the center. So all the three lengths of both triangles are equal. So OAB is congruent to OCD by side. Examination tips. If you are unsure whether two shapes are congruent, you can use tracing paper in the exam. Trace over one shape and see if it fits on top of the other. This should only be done if the image is created to scale.